In this video, I'll reveal some brilliant life hacks and clever tricks that will make your everyday life so much easier and fun. Let's dive right in.
First, cut the plastic bottle from the top, and then cut the backside. Apply glue to the backside and fix the top of the bottle onto it. This will create a secure and functional setup for your hack. Your creative hack is ready to use. You can use this to organize small items or as a DIY container. It's a simple yet effective way to repurpose a plastic bottle. Try it out and see how useful it can be in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing hacks. This is a super creative and incredibly simple idea that you can easily try at home. Transform an ordinary Coke can into this brilliant DIY hack and see the magic for yourself. Take a plastic bottle cap, apply glue to it, and stick it onto the top of the can. Press it firmly and let it dry completely for a secure fit. Now, attach 3 more bottle caps around the can using glue, evenly spacing them for balance. Let all the caps dry completely to ensure they are securely attached. Your creative multi-cap design is now ready to impress. Apply glue inside the caps and place candles in them. Let the glue set completely to hold the candles firmly in place. Your DIY candle holder is now ready to light up your space beautifully. Light the candles and enjoy the warm, creative glow of your handmade masterpiece. Don't forget to share this idea with your friends and inspire them to get creative too. I hope you enjoyed this creative plastic bottle idea and found it inspiring. Mark the plastic bottle with a marker for precise cutting. After marking the bottle with a marker, carefully cut along the marked lines using a cutter. Make sure to cut smoothly to achieve clean edges for your project. Once the cutting is done, you're ready to move on to the next step of your creative idea. Now, place your mobile in the cutout section of the bottle. A simple and creative mobile stand is ready. Use it to keep your phone secure while watching videos or attending calls hands-free. This easy DIY project is not only functional but also a great way to recycle plastic bottles. Try it out and add a personal touch to make it uniquely yours. Take a tennis ball and a plastic bottle cap to get started. Apply glue to the plastic bottle cap and attach the tennis ball on top of it. Press the ball firmly onto the cap and let it dry completely for a secure hold. Now, apply glue around the sides of the ball and attach nuts to each side, for a cool, creative touch. Let the glue dry completely to ensure the nuts are securely fixed in place. Your unique and creative tennis ball project is now ready to impress everyone. Now, give it a spin on the table and watch it come to life. And there you have it, a fun and creative DIY project that's both entertaining and unique. This is a super creative and interesting idea, and I hope you'll love it too. You can easily try it at home as well. First, take a nut and bolt, then grab a stick and cut it in the middle. After cutting the stick, apply glue to both sides of the nut and bolt, then attach the sticks securely to them. Press the sticks firmly onto the nut and bolt and let them dry completely for a strong hold. Now, take a spinner and remove the caps from both sides. Now, take a small stick, apply glue to it, and attach it to the spinner's cap. Apply glue to the other end of the stick and attach it to the spinner's second cap. Now, apply glue in the middle of the stick and attach a pin to it. Let it dry completely to ensure the pin is securely fixed in place. Now, apply glue to the nut and bolt, and attach the spinner setup on top of it. Take a ball pen, remove its cap, unscrew the top, and take out the nib. Now, carefully detach the ink tube from the pen's body. Once the ink tube is removed, set it aside for the next step of your project. After removing the nib, take a piece of paper and a few matchsticks. Carefully scrape off the matchstick heads to collect the material for the next step of your project. Place the collected material onto the paper, ensuring it's evenly spread for easy use. After removing the matchstick heads, carefully crush them into a fine powder using a spoon or similar tool. Once the powder is ready, set it aside for the next step in your project. Once the powder is ready, carefully fill it into the nib of the pen. Now, attach the nib onto the pin securely. Ensure the nib is firmly fixed so it stays in place during use. Now, heat the nib with a matchstick, and watch as it launches off the pin like a mini missile, flying across the room. And there you have it, a fun and creative experiment to try, but remember to handle it safely.